Hello and welcome to Learning with Lisa. Let's do some Easter phonics. Rosie Rabbit needs your help to put the little plastic toys into the Easter eggs. She has also left her carrots lying around in the factory. I need you to try to find them for her. Rosie Rabbit needs a toy that starts with a V phoneme. Which one should she choose? Lion, van, bird? Yes, she needs the van. V is for van. Help Charlie Chick write the label for van. Use your phoneme fingers to help. Are you ready? V, a, van. Well done. Rosie now needs a toy that starts with the sound H. Which one should she choose? Hen, snail, badger? Yes, she needs the hen. H is for hen. Help Charlie write the label for hen. Ready? Hen. Fantastic. Rosie now needs a toy that starts with a P. Which one is it? Frog, octopus, pig? That's right, it's the pig. P is for pig. Which letters does Charlie need this time? P, I, G, pig. Well done. Let's help Rosie find the toy that starts with a D. Is it the zebra, dog, fish? We need the dog. D is for dog. Help Charlie write the word dog. Remember to use your phoneme fingers. D, O, G. Dog. Fantastic. The next toy Rosie needs starts with a B. Which one shall we choose? Bus, duck, crab? Yes, B is for bus. Help Charlie write the word bus. Are you ready to use your phoneme fingers? B, A, S, bus. Fantastic. The next toy Rosie needs starts with a K. Which one shall we choose? Snake, butterfly, cat. That's right, we need the cat. K is for cat. Can you tell Charlie how to write the word cat? Ready? K-A-T, cat. Wonderful. Rosie's next toy starts with the sound J. What shall we choose? Jet, turtle, monkey. Yes, there is a J in jet. Jet, jet. Help Charlie write the word jet. Use your phoneme fingers to help. J, E, T, jet. Well done. Rosie now needs a toy that starts with the sound F. Which one should she choose? Starfish, fox, deer. She needs the fox. F is for fox. Help Charlie write the label for fox. Use your phoneme fingers to help. Are you ready? Ox, fox. Fantastic. Rosie now needs a toy that starts with the sound R. Which one shall she choose? Bird, ring, spider. Yes, she needs the ring. R is for ring. Help Charlie write the label for ring. Ready? Ring. Wonderful. The last toy Rosie needs starts with the sound B. Does she need the parrot, bug, dolphin? Yes, Rosie needs the bug. B is for bug. Help Charlie write the word bug. Remember to use your phoneme fingers. Are you ready? B, G, bug. Fantastic. Charlie needs to check the Easter egg list to make sure everything has been put into the eggs. Read the words with him. Van. Hen. G, pig. D, G, dog. B, S, bus. Cat, cat. Jet, jet. Ox, fox. Ring. Bug, bug. Rosie and Charlie are now ready to deliver all the Easter eggs. Thank you for your help. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again, bye bye for now. Bye.